How to bid in a whatnot auction during a live show. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you can bid during a live show, but you need to be very quick because the bid ends in just few seconds. So, open up the app and then head over to the live, and then you'll need to wait for a while and you will see bid option appear. So uh, you can see bid at the bottom, so you need to swipe it to the right. Make sure that you have already added your payment method, and after you just swipe to the right, your bid will be accepted. But as you can see that it is sold out within a few seconds, so you'll need to be very quick. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, everyone.